Hello everybody, today we're going to explore customary units of capacity. So first, let's do a quick review about measurement. So first, there's two systems of measurement we use. We use metric and customary. Metric is what most of the world uses. Customary is what the United States uses and a few other small countries as well. Now we measure three different things. There's three kinds of measurement we're going to focus on. Length, which is distance. Capacity, which is the volume of a container measured in liquid units. And weight, which is how heavy an object is. In the metric system, to use units of measurement to measure length are millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. To measure capacity with the metric system, we use milliliter and liter. And to measure mass on a metric system, we use gram and kilogram. The customary system, in length, we use inch, foot, yard, and mile. For capacity, we use ounce, cup, pint, quart, and gallon. And for weight, we use ounce, pound, and ton. So a cup is small. A cup is 8 ounces. It's also the size of the container of milk that you get at school, which is also called a half pint. A pint is 2 cups. Many water bottles are about a pint. A quart is 32 ounces and is equal to 2 pints or 4 cups. A gallon is 128 ounce, 4 quart, 8 pint, or 16 cups. A gallon is the large container of milk. So let's look at what the best estimate is for each one of these pictures. So number 1 shows a picture of a bathtub, 3 gallons or 30 gallons. You could easily guess it's going to be 30 gallons. 3 gallons is just 3 cartons of milk. Now this next one shows a carton. It says 1 pint or 4 gallons. Okay, it's going to be 1 pint because 4 gallons would never fit in a carton like that. And then this mug here has 2 cups or 2 quarts. Now 2 quarts is a half gallon. That's way too much for a cup. You wouldn't be able to lift it and drink it. So 2 cups would be about right for a big cup. And the last one, 1 cup or 1 quart. That looks like oil there. That'd be 1 quart. Let's choose the most appropriate unit to measure the capacity of each one of these items. So for a bucket, I would say it'd be a gallon. For an aquarium, definitely a gallon. A soup bowl, I would say cup. And a paper cup, I would say cup. Now it's your turn to try some. Good luck.